Creative Manchester works on research partnerships with lots of big and small arts organisations in Greater Manchester and nationally. And today at Aviva Studios during the Manchester International Festival, we're really happy to be reporting on some of those research projects.
Partnership between Creative Manchester and Manchester City Council has been to understand what the workforce challenges are within Manchester's cultural workforce, and we've specifically focused on leadership because this is a kind of under-researched area of the workforce, so that they can move on and move forward with their workforce development plan, knowing the issues in depth, thinking about how they can address them across the next 10 years of the cultural strategy.
I had the opportunity and the privilege to collaborate with Factory International to create this set of tools that is sort of bringing into the loop an arts organization and the artistic community in a sort of bilateral exchange of resources and material that constantly grows in order to help the community to meet their own artistic needs.
The Factory International engagement team created the First Breath Families project. And because they wanted a team of researchers to evaluate the impact of First Breath families, they got in touch with the University of Manchester's educational psychology programme, who then connected with the clinical psychology programme, and we pulled together trainees from educational backgrounds and psychology backgrounds to evaluate the work that Creative Manchester had done. First Breath first started with a light installation by Luke Jerram, and following First Breath was First Breath Families, which was designed to support caregiver-infant relationships, support parental mental health, and support healthy child development.
Working with English National Opera, which is a new partnership, and we have just appointed a postdoc researcher, Camilla Romaido, and Camilla is going to be working with them over the next 18 months or so as they bed down in Greater Manchester.
My research is focused on finding out what Greater Manchester might want out of opera as English National Opera relocates here by 2029. So Manchester is a great place for English National Opera to move here and try out new things because it's full of people who are open to new musical experiences, new music genres.
We're absolutely thrilled to have as a key partner alongside our other relationships, one with the University of Manchester, to have that international and national level of expertise and openness to looking how opera might be here in Greater Manchester has been invaluable. So this a way of embedding and finding out what audiences and artists and partners who work here would really be excited about us doing. Already my mind is brimming with 1,000 ideas that I would have never had without this event, and actually that will only be built on whenever we get more and more of the research in front of us. So it's been fabulous.